Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate Messenger account permanently. So if you want to delete or deactivate Messenger, what you're going to do, you're going to click the three bars at the top left and then click onto the settings here at the top and basically scroll a little bit down until you see the account center or meta. Click on it, and basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into my password and security, and you're going to see right here who basically anything related to your account, which is password, login, security and all that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and enter the personal details and click the last option, account ownership and control, and then click deactivation or deletion, the second one. And basically you can select the account if you have more than one account. If you want to deactivate the account, just go ahead and deactivate. And deactivation means that your account will be deactivated in a short amount of time. If you want to delete your account permanently, you could just go ahead and click delete your account permanently, and basically your account will be deleted, will be deactivated for 30 days, and your account will be deleted permanently after 30 days 30 days parameter. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click delete, for example, and now I'm gonna continue, right? And then just select the reason why, right? And then continue, right? And then basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here, scroll a little bit down. If you have anything to save on your Facebook, like information and all that, just go ahead and take your time. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click continue, and I'm gonna enter the password, and basically your account will be deactivated around 30 days, and after the 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. Alright, let's turn on the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.